To create a map for Eufy C10 Robot Vacuum, first of all we'll need to open the Eufy Clean app on our smartphone device currently connected with the robot. Click on Enter next to the robot name and then the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. That way we'll be able to manage our maps, and here you can also enable multi-map saving, which is recommended for multi-floor cleaning. So if you have two-story building, then it will save map for both the bottom floor and upper floor. And now if you want to create the actual map, click on the plus button and then select the mapping or mapping with auto cleaning. If you select the first option, your robot will basically start driving around the entire floor and then create a map for it. If you go for mapping with auto cleaning, the robot first creates a map and then follows up the automated cleaning. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.